Human blood types. Several different blood types occur in human. Most familiar one involve ABO blood group, type A, B, ABO, and the RH blood group, RH positive, RH negative. ABO blood group. The ABO blood group include the type A, B, ABO blood, which are classified by the presence and absence of A, B antigen on the red blood cell. Type A blood have a A antigen on the red blood cell. Type B blood have a B antigen. AB blood have a both A and B antigen, and type O neither have a antigen or nor have a B antigen present. A blood type are classified by presence and absence of certain antigen, which are glycoprotein and glycolipid, located within the plasma membrane of the red blood cell. Each person has a unique set of red blood cell antigen that are inherited and they remain unchanged throughout the life. Within the plasma, an individual possesses antibodies against antigen that are not present in the red blood cell. Remember, antibodies are defensive protein produced by the plasma cell. So, red blood cell got antigen and antibody produced by the plasma cell. Whenever red blood cell with one type of antigen are transfused into the blood of a person whose red blood cell do not possess the antigen of the transfused red blood cell are recognized as a foreign by the recipient's antibodies and accumulation occur. So when the type A receives the type B, accumulation occur because they have a different antigen and antibody. Coagulation is a process that occurs in the antigen is mixed with its corresponding antibody called the isocoagulation. This term is commonly used in a blood grouping. This occurs in biology in two main examples. The clumping of the blood cell as a bacteria or the red blood cell in the presence of antibody or complement. During the coagulation, the recipient's antibodies bind to the antigen on the transfused red blood cell, which causes the red blood cell to clump together. This reaction can be fatal because the clump of red blood cell blocks the small vessel and deprives the tissue supplied by the vessel of the nutrients and oxygen. Of 600 potential antigen on the human red blood cell, only a few can cause a significant coagulation in the blood transfusion. These antigen are A antigen, B antigen, and RH antigen. After birth, each person's plasma cells start producing antibodies against the AB antigen that is not present in his or her red blood cell. As a result, people with the type A blood develop the anti-B antibody in their plasma. Those people B blood develop the anti-A antibody in their plasma. Those with the type O have A anti and B anti in their plasma, and people with the AB blood have neither of the antibody in their plasma. Remember, if your body produces a certain antibody for a certain antigen, the antibody will bind to the antigen and the label for attacked antigen antibody. So you do not want antibody that will bind and attack the antigen on your blood cell. For example, if you have anti-A antibodies, you do not want type A blood. Type AB, no antibodies can receive any and all antigen blood type. So AB called a universal recipient, and type O is universal donor.